We're recording.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right here, right here, right here. Right here. This tree, right here.
This tree. Tree across the street.
Right here, right here. Right.
Pull on that, Charles.
Hmm?
Pull on that, pull on that. The one that's not on.
Oh, motherfucker. I can't get fucking through. I can't. And it's freaking recording.
Wait, wait. Go.
Nice one. You dropped a good robin here. You see it fall?
Yeah, I can see a little bit.
What touching yet? He's still alive.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, he is. His bird, his wings are flipping. His mouth
Here.
is
We got a good robin here. Bring it over here. Bring the camera.
I have the gun.
We'll go inspect our shot. See where we hit it.
Hey, no, don't bring it down anymore.
Oh. Gotta reshoot it. Good spot. Do you want me to reload this?
No.
Yeah, you might as well reload it now. Come on. Go something. Investigate this.
Pretty nice, kind of big robin, right here. We're investigating it, see where we shot it. This is Hunter Eifenhoff's first bird on camera.
Right in the leg.
Right in the leg, and I think it came up to his back, in the belly.
Good shot. Good kill shot. Alright.